Hello, my young friends. I miss you guys. I would much rather be doing this in school. But we're getting it done and we're doing what we need to do. And I thank you. I thank you guys, everybody giving me your work and just doing what is asked of you. Thank you. Thank you. But now I'm going to be working on a song here for the ukulele with you guys this week. So, last week, a young lady in one of my second grade classes presented a song on Facebook. And it is an absolutely spectacular song to play on the ukulele. It's a great starter song. And what I'm going to do in this lesson today, I'm not just going to play the ukulele. I'm also going to put a percussive lesson on there. And I'm also going to add a piano lesson. So if you'd like to do any of the three, or you can do your own thing, just participate when I ask of you later on in this video. All right. So what I'm going to do today is we're going to work on our first couple chords, but we're going to talk about the ukulele, okay? We have the head, the tuning pegs, the little white part, which is called the nut. These are the frets going down. Now, as you take your strings and you have, mine is my right hand, my left hand. When I strum down from the top to bottom, you're going to hear, my dog has fleas. My dog has fleas. I recommend getting the tuning app because it just makes everybody's life a lot easier, makes it better for you because we'll all sound the same. So please get the tuning app that I recommended earlier on in one of our last lessons. So as we go through though, but you want to make sure you have that sound. We're going to start with our very first chord. Now, we have our fingers. We have the pointer, the middle, the ring. We're going to play our first chord, which our first chord is C. When we play a C, you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to place it on the bottom string, your ring finger. So 1, 2, 3, third fret, bottom string, ring finger, and that's a C. So if you take your fingers and you go, now you're playing a C chord, which is the easiest first. And now there's other easy chords just like it, but it's pretty easy. What I want you to do is I want you to start a little practice section where you go and you strum 4 times, and you're just going to use your hand, strumming 4 times. Take it off, count to 10 first. With the C, you'll probably be able to do it much quicker with 5 or 6. So I would go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Release, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And take a 1 each time. Take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take away 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Release, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Release, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's our C chord, and I want you to do that. Same pattern with all of these chords as practice. Because if we can get them up to the speed where you can keep switching on the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Release, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can keep up with me playing if you can do the changes on 4s. Now, there are 3 chords we're learning in this. C, which is the ring finger, 3rd fret, and that's the nut, the little white part at the top. That's the nut, just like up here. So you're looking at it just like this. 3rd finger, 3rd fret, ring finger, done. There's our C chord. Now, we're going to do our F chord. F chord is a 2-finger chord. We will be using our pointer and our middle. You will take your first finger and you will go 1, 2 in the 1st fret, 2nd string, counting bottom up. 1, 2. You're going to take your middle finger and you're going to count all the way to 4 to get to the top. Place that down and that is F. 2, 1, 2, 4 at the top. 4. Match it up. Match it up. There's our F chord. Pointer, middle. 4 strums. 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 10. Do it again. Then you're going to do that all the way back down to the 4, just like you did. So at this time, if you'll do the practice, pause the video, and then you'll continue on. Next, we are going to go on to our next chord. If you're going to pause, do it now. Practice it. Come back. Here we go. Next chord is a G chord. The G chord is 3-finger chord. You are going to take your pointer finger. You are going to take your middle finger, you are going to take your ring finger, these 3 fingers. Pointer finger is going to go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2nd fret. Middle finger, bottom string. And then the ring finger is in the 2nd string, 3rd fret. They've got to match up. Pointer, 2nd fret, 1, 2, 3. Middle, 1, 2nd fret. Ring, 2. Try one more time. This is the toughest of the 3 chords. 1, 2, 3. 1 in the 2nd fret and 2 in the 3rd. And that's our G chord. Those are the 3 chords that we're going to do and we are going to learn for this song. Okay. Now, this video is going to run with the song. And as you guys do this song with me, I want you guys to count in. So you're going to hear me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'll stop. But I want you to count that 6 so if we are all matched up, if I want to do something with this musically later so that I can do it. I'll explain a little bit more here in a second. I really don't like the way this looks. I want to get a little bit better look because we're going to be doing a Bob Marley song. So I need to dress for Bob Marley. There. That's much better. All right. So here we go. We're going to start off with the verse. Then we've got the chorus. C. C. 2, 3, 4. C. 2. Then to F. F. 2, 3, 4. C. 2, 3, 4. C. 2, 3, 4. C. 2, 3, 4. F. 2, 3, 4. C. 2, 3. Stay on C. C. Then we're going to go to G. Then to F. Stay on F again. 2. Back to C. Go to G again. 2. Back to F. This is my message to you. Then back to C. 3, 4. Extra C, and then we just do it over again. Now, the people who get a little bit better at it, instead of counting to the 4, are going to do their strumming. And they're going to get their hand going. C. C. And to C. And go C again. C. Back to F. Then to C. G, F, F, C, G, F, back to C. And then we just do it over again. All right. Now, we will do the whole song. So you can do either the 1, 2, 3, 4, or you can do the straight up strumming. I'm going to do the strumming and I'm going to sing the song. And if you would like, as we do this later on, you could make a choice and say, hey, I'm just going to sing the chorus with you, or I'm going to do whatever. I'm going to play some of the percussive parts. You can pick any part you want to do. I just give me something back. You can sing the chorus, you can dance and sing. Have fun with this. All right? Be good, but have fun. All right, starting with our C. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. I woke up this morning, smiled at the rising sun. 3 little birds sat on my doorstep, singing sweet songs of a melody pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. And here we go again. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. I woke up this morning, smiled at the rising sun. 3 little birds sat on my doorstep, singing sweet songs of a melody pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. One last time in the chorus. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. I woke up this morning, smiled at the rising sun. 3 little birds sat on my doorstep, singing sweet songs of a melody pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. And here we go again. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. I woke up this morning, smiled at the rising sun. 3 little birds sat on my doorstep, singing sweet songs of a melody pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. One last time in the chorus. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright.